The living room is softly lit by the television's glow, as Emma is deeply absorbed in her book. Suddenly, darkness engulfs the room as the power abruptly cuts out.
Pretty interesting, right? That short horror clip you just saw wasn't from a filmmaker or a studio. I actually created it myself using MagicLight AI. And the cool thing is, all I started with was a simple idea. MagicLight handled the script, the visuals, the voiceover, and the pacing all in one place. Whether you want to make horror, mystery, sci-fi, or just experiment with storytelling, it makes the whole process surprisingly smooth. So in today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how I created that scene from scratch and show you how you can turn your own ideas into fully produced videos too. Let's get started. Alright, so before we start building anything, here's a quick look at the MagicLight homepage. Just so you know where everything is, this is the dashboard, and on the left side, you'll see all the tools you can use like story to video, kids story, and more. Basically everything you need to turn ideas into animated content. And the best part is, right now we also get access to Nano Banana 2 inside MagicLight, so the results are cleaner, sharper, and more consistent. Okay, so once you're on the homepage, simply click on Story to Video, and you'll be taken to the main creation interface. Here, the process is divided into 4 simple sections: Content, Cast, Storyboard, and Edit. We'll begin inside the Content section. Right in the center of the page, you'll see the Smart Script box, and this is where I'll paste my story idea. MagicLight gives you 2 options: Smart Script and Basic Script. Smart Script lets the AI refine and structure your idea into a professionally written screenplay, and that's what I'll be choosing. But if you already have a complete script and you don't want any AI changes, you can choose Basic Script instead. After pasting my idea, I'll move to the left panel and set up the base of my project. First, I'll select the aspect ratio. Below that, I'll choose the video language, which for now will be English. Then I'll pick the story model, and for this tutorial, I'm going with Gemini 3. Next, we have the style model, where you can choose MagicLight 1.0, MagicLight 2, or simply allow all models. I'll keep it on all models to give the AI more flexibility and better creative options. Then I'll choose my video style, and for this story I'll go with Realistic 2.0. At the bottom we have the duration options. MagicLight actually lets you create videos up to 50 minutes long, but for now I'm choosing a shorter story, around 3 to 5 minutes, because it's the perfect length for a quick narrative. Once things looks good, I'll click Next, and MagicLight will now analyze the story idea and generate a complete scene-by-scene synopsis. And the best part is, you can customize each and everything as per your need. At the bottom, you'll also see an estimated video length along with the total number of shots. Once you are happy with the breakdown, we'll click Next again. That brings us to the cast section. MagicLight automatically detects your characters based on the script and casts matching characters for the story. You can edit those characters, adjust their appearance, or even add new characters if your story needs more roles. Now we will enter the most interesting part, the storyboard section. In the center, you'll see a preview of each scene that MagicLight has created. Since this storyboard is generated using the Nano Banana Neo 2 model, you get access to a huge set of customization options. Below the image, you can change the character's clothes, adjust expressions, modify the figure, switch the background, add effects like rain, fog, fire, or lighting, and even remove objects you don't want in the frame. If you want a completely new variation, you can also modify the prompt and regenerate the image. Under this, you'll see the caption area where the dialogue for each shot is displayed. And yes, you can edit this as well. Then, inside the voiceover menu, you can choose the narrator and the voice you prefer. MagicLight gives multiple options like Jack, Laura, Richard, Tom, and many more. And you can preview each voice before finalizing.
The living room is softly lit.
On the right side, you'll find the Edit Storyboard button. If you click this, you'll get a library of recommended storyboard poses and animations, including talking to camera, pointing, thinking, walking in, sitting down, and many more. This is very useful, especially if you're new to filmmaking and want a specific cinematic angle without manually describing it. Once everything is set, it's time to animate the storyboard. Below your scene, you'll find the Animate button. Here you can choose your animation model. Whether you want simple lip sync, MagicLight 1.0 animation, Halo versions, Kling versions, and more. MagicLight even gives you 2 ways to animate. You can animate based on screen intelligence or generate animations from customized prompts. For this video, I'll just let the AI intelligently animate the shots, so I'll choose Animate All and click Next. Once the animations are ready, we'll move to the Edit section. Here you can customize your cover settings, edit your subtitle style, and choose or change the background music. This helps you set the tone of your video before exporting it. When everything looks right, I'll click Generate. MagicLight will ask for the final aspect ratio and export resolution. And after confirming those, your video will be fully processed and ready to download or preview. And that's it. Your story video is now ready.
Softly lit by the television's glow, as Emma is deeply absorbed in her book. Suddenly, darkness engulfs the room as the power of...
And that's how I created the entire story from start to finish using MagicLight AI. If you want to try it yourself and turn your ideas into fully animated videos, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.